This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Yeah, open this RxD console, site admin console.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Okay, you need to start your instance. You have not started it.
Okay.
Go to the author folder. So, in last class, we created a template, page rendering component for that template, and we are able to display some content on our page. Also created a page using the template, and we are able to display some content on the page. So now we are going to discuss about basic APIs of Sitely. Okay, so open the sample page, double click and open the sample page here. Okay, so hello world, I am your rendering script. So from which file this content is coming? Go to CRXD. So go to apps, training components folder. So open page content.jsp. So here we have written that HTML code, which is displaying the content. Hello world, I am your rendering script on your page. but how this file is getting executed. Okay, so this file belongs to, this is the script file of page content component. So when your page content component get executed, so this file will be executed. So how your page content component is getting executed here? So actually we created the sample page using a template. So where is that template? Can you expand templates folder? Templates folder just below that. Yes, so this is the template, page hyphen content. This is the template used to create that sample page. So when you open the sample page, so this template will be executed. So when this template is executed, it will call the page rendering component. Okay, so what is the page rendering component for this template? Click on JCR content, go to the properties panel, row number 4, training, go to the value, training slash component slash page content. So this is the path of your page rendering component. So under apps folder, we have training folder, then components, then page content component. So this page content component will be executed, and when this page content component will be executed, page content.jsp will be executed. So in the JSP file, we have written that code. Hello world, I am your rendering script. So same thing will be displayed on a page. Okay. So now let's say I want to display some other message. Copy line number 8, paste it in the next line. Copy line number 8 in your page content.jsp file and paste it in the next line.
I need to
Paste,
paste.
paste it in the next line. You have copied it, right?
Yes.
Uh, enter, paste in the next line. Okay, change the message. You can write good morning or something instead of I am your rendering script. Hmm. Save it. Now go to sample page and refresh it. In your browser, you open the page, right? That
Okay.
only, refresh it. So you can see.
No, but this is not the sample page one. This is
Okay,
learning folder, this training
okay,
folder.
okay,
This is the
okay,
actual page. Okay.
okay, fine. So you are able to see the content on the page. Nothing is there. So go to site admin. Which page you have created? Go to test page. Double click and open test page. Yes. So this page is created is using our template. Fine. So now you understand when you open the page, how the execution happens. So you open test page, right? Test page is created using a template. So that template will be executed. When that template get executed, it will search the properties
Still, are
link
you guys
around.
talking? I'm not able to hear anything.
We can hear you. Maybe you have some audio issues. Okay. Who is not able to hear anything? Srilata or Saila?
Yeah, I can able to hear you, Biswa.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, we
Fine.
can hear you fine.
Mm,
Yeah, I'm able to
maybe.
hear now. Sorry.
Okay. Fine. So when you open this page, testpage.html, so the template used for this page will be executed. The template name is page hyphen content. Okay. So when that template start executing, it will search the properties link colon resource type. Okay, and the value was training slash component slash page content. So when the template starts executing, it will call that component. So that component is actually our page rendering component, page hyphen content. So page hyphen content component will be executed. So page hyphen content component is having a script file called page hyphen content.jsp. So that JSP file will be executed. So whatever we have written, it is getting displayed on your page. Okay. So we are going to develop all our components using Sightly. Okay. So earlier we used to develop the components using JSP, but nowadays we are developing components using Sightly. So Sightly components will have script files with extension .html. So go to CRXD, we have page content.jsp, change the extension from .jsp to .html, page content.html. Save it. Now open the page, test page and refresh. So you have changed the script file of page rendering component. Change the extension of the script file of the page rendering component. So is there any change on your page? Open test page and refresh it. Mm. So there is no change on this page because AEM understood that this .html file is a Sightly file. Okay, so all the Sightly components will have a script file with extension .html. So what is Sightly? Sightly. Sightly is a HTML templating language. Okay, like JSP, it Sightly is another language. So instead of JSP, we'll use Sightly to develop all our components. Okay, so why we are using Sightly? Why we are not using JSP? Okay, so there are a lot of advantages using Sightly. Okay. So Sightly is altogether a different language. It has its own APIs, own libraries. Okay, it has its own syntaxes. Okay, then why we are using Sightly? What are the benefits? So I am sending one email. Just download that. Okay, first create a folder called exercises in your C drive. Then whatever lab activities I'll send, keep it in that exercises folder. Okay, I'm sending one email. Okay, so I guess all of you have shared your email IDs with me. If you have not shared, please share it in the chat window right now. Otherwise, you'll miss the. So I have. So I shared one email. There is a zip file. Okay, download it and keep it in your exercises folder. And let me know if you didn't receive the email also. I hope you'll get. I have all the email IDs with me.
Not received yet, Vishwan.
Just wait for a minute, you will receive. Still, if you didn't receive, then I'll share it again. I shared two emails.
Hey, Biswal, I received just the one that you sent me right now. I did not receive the previous one.
Previous means right now I send only two.
Uh,
Two
you
emails I
I received only Sightly API email.
Okay, the second one you'll get now, maybe in a
Okay.
minute.
Oh, okay. I got the Sightly doc as well. Thanks.
So download this, keep it in the exercises folder and extract it. So here, I guess you not received. I send you so
One PDF doc and another one is the jar file, right? Visual.
sorry, what you missed?
No, oh, I have received two mails. One is PDF doc
And another is
and
a zip file.
yeah, zip file.
Yes. So these two only I send right now. Okay, fine. So go to that exercises folder. So extracted six item six. Open the folder. Open it. So you'll find a file called page content.html. The first one. Open it with Notepad or Notepad plus plus, whatever you have. Right click, open with Notepad. Copy this content. Go to page content.html in your CRXD. Replace everything. You already opened it. Okay, go to apps, training, components, page content. This one, page content.html. Just replace everything. Yeah, save it. Okay, fine. So now go to your test page and refresh it. Okay, so you are able to see some different content on this page. Okay, whatever code we have written in page content.html, that got executed and it is generating this content. So we'll discuss what we have written in that HTML file. So before that, we are going to create one sample website structure. We created a template. Okay, you can create multiple templates also, but now we are going to create our sample website structure using the template that we have created. So open the site admin console. site admin console. Okay, so click on new page. So as we have already discussed, whenever you are creating any website, first you have to create the root page of your website, right? We have already seen in case of W Retail project, so they created the root page. So now we are going to create our training website. Okay, so first we will create the root page of our training website. So in the title field, type training space site, capital T, training space capital S site, training space site. And in the name field, if you want to give any name explicitly, enter it, otherwise leave it blank. AEM will give a name for you. Page hyphen content is the template that we have created. Select that. There are two templates available here. The first one is, I think, you created for your learning purpose. The second one we created. Now select page hyphen content, click on create. So the root page of our website is created. So under training site, create our language specific page. Okay, so if you want to launch your website in multiple countries, create the country specific pages like US, CA, CH. Okay, if you don't want to create any country specific page, directly you can create language specific page. Okay, if you don't want to launch your website in multiple countries, directly you can create the language specific page. So under training site, create two language specific page, English and French. Select training site, click on new, select training site in the left side, left panel, click on new drop down, new page. So in the title, enter English capital E, and in the name, enter EN, everything in lowercase. Select our template page hyphen content, click create. Create one more language specific page called French. Capital F, French, and name is FR. Select our template, select the template, click on create. Now under English, create three pages, company, product, and services. So using page content template, company, you can leave a name empty, yes. Product, services, okay. Under product, create three pages, triangle, circle, square. Square. Okay, so we have created one sample website structure. Okay, so by referring the ideal um, website structure which they have created for W Retail. Okay, so first root page, then country specific page. If you don't want to launch your website in multiple countries, directly you can create language specific pages like we have done here. Under we created two language specific page, English and French. So under EN, all other pages of our English website will be created. Under FR, all the pages of our French website will be created. Okay, so this is the structure of your website. So can you open the product page from here? Double click and open the product page. Okay, also open the triangle page. Expand product, you can see the triangle page there. Expand product. Double
I have
click
a
and
doubt here. I have a doubt here.
open. Tell
So
me.
we created a new site, training site. So how the uh, so, so the template, since we are using the same template and the components, so we are getting the this component and template, right?
Hmm, hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Open triangle page, double click and open the triangle page. So now compare the content of product page and triangle page. You'll see the contents are different, right? So here you can see title is product, right? Then we have a path, content, training site, EN product. Then depth is different. So now go to the triangle page. So here you can see title is triangle, depth is different, path is different. It means we are displaying different contents on the page. So what code we have written there, which is generating this content on your page. Okay? Go to your CRXD.
So I have a doubt here. What is
Hmm.
meant by depth, Vishwar here?
What is? Ah,
Meant by depth.
we are going to discuss those things. Go to your
Okay.
CRXD. So this file is getting executed, right? So this file page content.html is generating that content. So you see what we have written here. Okay. So it is simple HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag, you can see head tag is written. Inside head, we are using title tag, line number 3. Title is hello world. So here can you see the title on your page? Go to your product page. Where can you see the title? Hmm. As in the browser tab, you can see the title, or in the there is a black color toolbar. At the center of the black color toolbar, you can see hello world. So that is also title. Can you just hover your mouse there in the black color toolbar at the center? No, no, no. Where is your toolbar? Black color toolbar just above your page. At the go to the center of your page. Center. That where? Yes. So you can see this is the title of your page. Okay, now go back to CRXD. So we have body tag. Inside the body tag, line number 6 and 7, we have written H1 and H2 tag, and we are displaying some message. Hello world, I am using Sightly, and line number 9 and properties. So these three texts will be displayed on your page. Go to your product page. Hello world, I am using Sightly and properties. Okay, so first three lines. Hello world, I am using Sightly and properties. First three lines are coming from the body tag. Okay, H1, H2, and H3 tags we have written. Go to CRXD again. Then line number 10. Inside the P tag, we have written title, colon, dollar, within the curly brackets, current page, dot properties, dot jcr colon title. So what is this? This is not HTML code. Okay, this is not JSP code. So this code is written in Sightly. Okay, so in Sightly language, if you want to write any expression, the syntax is first you have to write a dollar followed by the curly brackets. Okay, inside the curly bracket, you have to write your expression. Okay, so in all languages we used to write the expression. So in Sightly, how to write the expression? Dollar, then followed by the curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, your expression should be there. So in this case, the expression is current page dot properties dot jcr colon title. Okay, so what is current page? So current page is one of the implicit object of Cycle. So as I told, Cycle is altogether different language. It has its own APIs, own libraries, own syntax. So current page is one of the implicit object of Cycle. Implicit object means inbuilt object, out of the box object. Okay. So current page object refer to the page you opened in your browser. Okay. So I opened product page in the browser. So current page is product page. Okay. If you open triangle page in your browser, current page will be triangle page. So current page dot properties. Let's say my current page is product page. So where can I find the properties of the current page? Where can I find the properties of product page? Okay, so first I have to find the product page. So in the left side, go to the content folder. In the left panel, go to the content folder. You are in apps folder right now. Go to content. Yes. Under content, go to training site. Our website name is training site. Yes. Under training site, expand EN, select expand product, select product. So this is my current page. Okay. I opened product page in my browser. So when I write current page dot properties dot jcr colon title, so that current page is one of the out of the box object, and it will refer to the page you opened in your browser. So I open product page, means this is the product page. Dot properties, where can I find the properties? So go to the jcr content node, select jcr content, go to the properties panel. So these are the properties, 8 properties are there. So current page dot properties means all these 8 properties. Okay. Current page dot properties dot jcr colon title. So out of those 8 properties, there is a property called jcr colon title row number 7. Okay. And the value is product. Row number 7, property name is jcr colon title, and the value is product. So current page dot properties dot jcr colon title is product. Okay. So you can see product means capital P. What is the value? Row number 7. Double click on the value field. Yes. So this is the value. Okay. Current page dot properties dot jcr colon title. Open your product page in your browser. Hmm. So fourth line, title colon product. Right. This is coming from the properties panel. Now go back to CRXD again. Okay. So there are 8 properties. Let's say I want to display the value of some other property. So we are displaying jcr colon title. Let's say I want to display row number 3, CQ colon template. Okay. What is the template used to create this page? I want to display that on my page. So copy line number 10, paste it in the next line. In page content.html, copy line number 10, paste it in the next line. Instead of title, type template. Not there, not there, not there. At the beginning of the line, type instead of title, make it template.
Lowercase or uppercase?
It is a string. It will be displayed on your page. Case doesn't matter. You can write capital T, E, M, P. It's a text. Okay. Write capital T. Anything is fine. Yes. Template. And in the expression, we have to change the property name. So what is the property name? CQ colon template. Instead of JCR colon title, make it CQ colon template, which is the third property in the properties panel. Yes, save it. So row number 3 in the properties panel, property name is CQ colon template. So this is the property we want to display on my page. So what is the value of training templates page content? So this value will be displayed. Go to product page and refresh it. Okay, so you can see line number 5, template colon apps training templates page icon content. Okay, so now you understand how to write syntax. What is the syntax to write an expression in Sightly? Dollar followed by the curly brackets. Inside the curly bracket, your expression should be there. We have written one expression, current page dot properties dot acr colon title dot cq colon template, right? So those things are getting displayed on your page. Open the triangle page. So what is getting displayed in triangle page? Yes, refresh it. So line number 4 and line number 5. Title is triangle. From where this title is coming? Go to your CRHD. So in this case, my current page is triangle page. I opened triangle page in my browser. Current page is triangle page. So under triangle, go to JCR content. Row number 7, JCR colon title is triangle. So current page dot properties dot JCR colon title will return triangle for triangle page, and CQ colon template apps training components page content. Okay, it will be displayed on your page. So now we understood how to write.
I have a question here. So we changed the coding, the slightly code for product page only, right? But it got reflected.
How you change the code for product page? So you change the code in page content.html. Page content.html is part of your page rendering component, and this
Okay,
page rendering component is used for template. All the pages which are created using the same template will be affected by
okay,
that. The code
okay,
is
okay.
not specific to product page.
Got it, got it.
So,
Okay.
Biswal, are there any other expressions that we are going to use, or this is the
Yes,
only thing?
a lot of expressions will be
Okay,
there. Based on your requirement, you have to write that. Okay, we will
okay.
discuss some of them. Easily you can understand how to write your own expressions.
So basically, these expressions we are using are just to make the site dynamic, right? Instead of static content, we are using the expression to make it dynamic, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Then line number 13 in page content.html, we are displaying some text called page details. It will be displayed on product page. It will be displayed in triangle page also. Line number 15. Okay. Uh, name colon dollar current page dot name. So current page means the page you opened in your browser. Dot name. So it is another expression, current page dot name. So where can you find the name of the current page? Let's say I opened product page in my browser. My current page is product page. Where can I find the name of the product page? Go to site admin console. Select English in the left side. Go to the main panel. Here you will find 3 rows and there are multiple columns. Main panel, you can see title column, name column, published, modified, status, multiple columns are there. Okay, row number 2 is the product page, right? So what is there under title column is the title of your page. What is there under name column is the name of your page. Okay, so current page dot name means product under name field. Current page dot title means product with capital P under title column. Okay, can you hover your mouse on row number 2 in the main panel? Yes. So that is the name of your current page and title of your current page. Okay, so for triangle page, can you click on product in the left side? So for triangle page, row number 3, title is triangle capital T and name is triangle small t. So current page dot title and current page dot name will come from here. Go to CRXD. Okay. So line number 15 and line number 14 and 15. Current page dot title and current page dot name. Okay. So now current page dot path. So my current page is product page. Select product page in the left side, left panel. Go to the search box just below the save all button. Yes. So this is the path. Content training site EN product. Okay. Current page dot path is this. This is the path of your product page. What is the path of your triangle page? Select triangle. Go to the search box. Yes. Current page dot path is this. Okay. Fine. So path is different for product page as well as triangle page. Then current page dot depth. Depth means the label of the page in the hierarchy of your website. So what is the label? You can calculate from the path. Content is 1, training site 2, EN3, product 4, triangle is 5. For triangle page, current page dot depth is 5. For product page, current page dot depth is 4. Go to your product page in your browser. Yes. So under page details, you can see title is product. Okay, that is from the title column. Name is product. That is from the name column. Path. When you select the product page, where over the mouse on path. Uh, so what is the path of your product page? In the search box, we have seen it, right? After selecting the product page, content training site EN product. What is the depth? Depth means in the level of the page in the hierarchy of your website. So you can calculate it from the path. Content is 1, training site 2, EN3, product 4, depth is 4. Now go to triangle page. Depth should be 5 and path path is content training site EN product triangle. Depth is 5. Right. So now again go to CRXD. Line number 18, 19. Node details. In S3 tag, we are displaying node details. Line number 20. Name colon current node dot name. So what is current node? Current node is another implicit object of Sitely. We have seen current page. Now it is current node. Current node means the JCR content node of the current page. Okay, let's say my current page is product page. So go to the JCR content under product. Yes, this is my current node. What is the name of this node? JCR colon content. Don't go to the properties panel. Okay, what is the name of this node? JCR colon content. So current node dot name is JCR colon content. Current node dot path is select JCR content. Go to the search box. This is the current node dot path. Content training site EN products JCR content. Then current node dot depth you can calculate. Content 1, training site 2, EN3, products 4, JCR content 5. Okay. So current node dot depth is 5 for product page. Current node dot depth is 6 for triangle page. Click JCR content under triangle. You can calculate content training site EN product triangle JCR content 6, right? So now go to your product page in your browser, refresh it. We are already displaying node details. Name is JCR content. Okay, path is content training site EN product JCR content and depth is 5. Okay, so we have seen current page object, current node object, and we have seen how to write expression in Sitely dollar followed by the curly brackets. Okay, and where can you find the properties of a page also, and how to display any property. We have already seen that. Okay, So we'll discuss more on Sightly going forward because we are going to develop all our components using Sightly. Okay, so before that, I shared one PDF file. It is a small PDF file. Just go through that. Okay, it won't take more than 1 hour. Just go through that and you will understand why we are using Sightly, what is the syntaxes, what is expression, what is variables, literals, everything is written in that PDF file. Just go through it. Okay, you can easily understand. It's a very simple file. Okay, so going forward, we are going to use the Sightly, and that will make you understand all the Sightly syntaxes, APIs, and tags. Okay, any questions, doubts? So I hope everyone has the access to the recordings, right? If you don't have
Yes.
access, uh, just ping to Srinivas or ping in this chat window. Srinivas will provide the access. Okay.
Biswal, one thing I wanted to know. So
Hmm.
actually, there are some interviews that I got scheduled. So can you help me with some tips or something related to the interviews?
We have some set of interview questions. I can share it with you. Okay.
Yeah.
So just go through that.
Yes. Sure.
Okay. I'll
Oh,
share it.
Vishwal, could you please share it to me also?
I'll share it with everyone.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Share your email IDs with Srinivas. He is going to give you the recording access. Access to the drive where all the recordings are stored. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine, guys. So see you tomorrow, same time. Then thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Biswa.
Thank you, Vishwal. Thank you.
Thank you.